Measuring the impact of data-driven learning design on students' achievements. Measuring the impact of data-driven learning design on students' achievements is an important step in evaluating the effectiveness of this approach to teaching and learning. Here are some key considerations and strategies for measuring the impact of data-driven learning designs on students' achievements. 1. Define measurable outcomes. The first step is measuring the impact of data learning design is to define the measurable outcomes that will be used to assess students' achievements. This may include standardized test scores, classroom assessments, or other indicators of students' learning. 2. Collect baseline data. Once measurable outcomes have been identified, teachers should collect baseline data to establish a starting point for measuring progress. This may involve administering pre-test or collecting data from previous years to establish a baseline for comparison. 3. Implementing data-driven learning design. Teachers should then implement data-driven learning design strategies and collect data to measure progress towards the defined outcomes. This may involve collecting data on student performance on assessments, tracking attendance and participation, or monitoring student progress on specific learning objectives. 4. Analyze data. After collecting data, teachers should analyze it to identify patterns and trends in student achievements. This may involve comparing student performance on assessments over time, tracking changes in attendance or participation, or identify areas where students are struggling or excelling. 5. Adjust instructional strategies. Based on the data analysis, students should adjust their instructional strategies to better meet the needs of their students. This may involve modifying lesson plans, providing additional support to struggling students, or providing enrichment activities for advanced learners. 6. Monitor progress. Teachers should continually monitor progress towards the defined outcomes and adjust their instructional strategies as needed. This may involve collecting additional data, modifying assessment strategies, or providing additional support to struggling students. Number 7. Evaluate impact. Finally, teachers should evaluate the impact of data-driven learning design on students' achievements by comparing post-test data to baseline data. This will provide a clear picture of the impact of data-driven learning design on students' learning outcomes.